Now, I'll show you how I use the dot pad during an actual science experiment. Before we start, I always use the dot pad to pre-teach the overall flow of the experiment. Right here in the middle, you have a balloon. And around the balloon, right here, those arrows represent the pressure being applied to the balloon. What do you think will happen if the pressure is applied from the direction of those arrows?
The balloon will get squeezed and become smaller.
Exactly, that's right. Right now, let's try a real experiment. Can you feel what's happening right now?
Oh, the balloon feels smaller.
Yeah, exactly. As the pressure inside the balloon changes, you can feel a clear difference in between inside and the outside.